Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the before and after of my beautiful bedroom. Yay! When I first moved here, there were like so many things that I wanted to change, and so not many things that there were in these rooms that I wanted to buy because I need some storage. And so these are the small videos that I took while I was renovating my bedroom. Some of them are taken with the phone, so I'm sorry, some of them are just pictures. It's a bit of like a mix. But I hope you enjoy, and then see you later. So this is the entrance of my new bedroom, and hello! This is the mirror that is already here. Thank you, because I always want it and I always need it. This is the bed, and this is the other two things that the girl that she was living here before left for me. This is the view. Yes, I need to wash the windows as well. It's too sunny at the moment, but yeah, anyway. Maybe from here you can see. Yeah, I don't have the curtains, and because I always have the sun now and it's like 5:30, so like I think I need it. And also the walls are like in this kind of green that I don't like very much, so I was thinking to do everything like white. Oh my god, I don't like them at all. The blue is too bright, plus these pieces is still green and white, so I don't know how many colors I have in this room already. And this is like should be my new wardrobe. And also I have a chair that she painted like in this beautiful blue that is also on the walls. But anyway, okay, so I'm sorry for my face, but I'm a bit tired, but that's okay. I'm very happy that I'm in my new bedroom, and also that for the first time I can also try to renovate it a little bit more. Just a quick view again. So the wall that is like green is gonna be painted. I need to put the curtains, and then this part I need to do like paint again, and hopefully I can put another curtain there as well. So 2 curtains and all white, and this is the start. Hello guys, so forgive my voice, but it's 8 a.m. and the IKEA, they arrive like at 7:30 or something to deliver my new drawer, so I'm a bit like still sleepy. This is the 2 boxes, and oh my god, this is so heavy. And I also have the one that hopefully is gonna help me to build my drawer, because this time I'm gonna be alone. So let's try to see how I can do it. Okay, this is what I did before I stopped to build my building. Fortunately, I've been lucky enough to be helped by my flatmate when he arrives at home, and thank you. And ta-da! This is the drawer, yoo-hoo! Finally! At the beginning I wanted to put it like there, but then I decided that it was better to put it here, because I have like my clothes in this one, and there's the curtain. And so I decided that I wanted to stay together so I can change here, and I also have the chair so I can sit and put my socks and shoes and things like that. And as you can see, if you already noticed, ta-da! I don't have the blue anymore, finally! See, all white, plus the curtain as well is white, and the drawer. So I love this part. I show you in this video how I was like fixing the walls and the new drawer and things like that, but I'm going to do another video that where I will show you my room at the end. So with also, because I still need to buy like few things, it's still in progress, but these are the big changes for now, and I'm very happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. These were the main changes that I've done to my bedroom when I moved here, and I really like it now. At the beginning I like it because I like the idea that I could change the things, and that's one of the things why I love this room. And the second is because now it's all my taste. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and talk soon, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.